So I'm here with Kiki, who has a new book coming out. Kiki and the Bird Whisperer. Kiki and the Bird what? Okay, Kiki and soon to what? Kiki soon to be a major motion picture. Okay, Kiki soon to be a major motion picture. And today we're going to what? Okay, he wanted me to remind everyone that his father was an eagle. Okay, his father was an eagle, and come on, Geek, let's go, Geek, let's go. Okay, all right. So today, let's see if he wants to drink some water. Geek, water? No. Okay. Okay. All right. Today I thought we were gonna fly today. Today we're gonna have our first flight lesson. Okay, and oh, all right. Good thing to do that before flying because it lightens the load. Okay, that was good. That was perfect. See, now that's something I wouldn't have really known to do at the first flight, but that was really good. So now we're going to attempt flight. Now it's exactly like I told you. Don't forget, it's the landings. It's the landing. It's all in the landings. Are we ready? Okay. Here, you're going to come on this hand. Come on. Good boy, Kiki. All right. Keek, whatever. We really don't know. We're having a gender identity problem here because we don't know if Keek's a girl or a boy, but these things happen. Okay, Keek. We're going to fly. You ready? Dun 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 dun. What? I'm sorry. It was the wrong song. Okay. He wants the theme song from Darth Vader, I can do that. I can do that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know. How would I know? Da 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 da. What? Geek, excellent work! Good boy, Geek, excellent work! It's all in the thigh muscles. It was perfect. It was absolutely perfect. Good boy, girl, Geek. Excellent work, excellent work.